Hello everyone, this is Joy. Today I'm going to make a fold over bag. So the materials that I need is the main fabric, the lining, the thread, the pins, the button, the scissors, and an iron. And from these fabrics, I need to cut the main fabric by 9 by 15 inches. I need one. And one of the lining by 9 and 18.5 inches. I need one. And for the trim, 9 by 2.75 inches. I need two. And for the loop, it's 6.5 by 2 inches. I need one. So the first thing I have to do is to sew this loop, and the seam is 0.5 inches seam allowance. So the first thing I have to do is to sew this around and turn it up outside, and then sew on the edges. So this is now the result of the loop that I sew after I turn it outside. To the right side, I sew along the edges. And now I have to attach this on the center of the main fabric. I need to pin this here. And after that, this trim should go on this side here, on the top of both the top and the lower side. I just need to pin this around. So after pinning the trim, I will sew it right here on the top and on the edge here of both sides. So after sewing the trim, this is now the result. And now I need to sew this around here, as then the same thing as the lining. So I need to sew it over here, right here, but on the lining I need to leave about 2 to 3 inches opening, so I have the opening to invert that to the right side later. So I need to sew around the lining and the main fabric. Now this is the result of sewing all the sides of the main fabric and the lining. So this one, I sew it here and here, but I leave a little opening here, about 2 to 3 inches. And this is the top. And now both sides together, right sides together, pin it around. So this is now the look, both sides pinned together. Now I have this cute little bag. Remember when I sewed this, there's a little opening here. So from that little opening, I grabbed fabric from the inside to invert the fabric to the right side, and then I sew it with my hand. Here, the opening that was here, I sew it with my hand. And then after inverting it to the right side, I just stitch around here on the top and attach the button here. And now I have this cute little bag. And it looks like this. Isn't it cute? And making this, I use this walking foot because of the thickness of the fabric. This walking foot could handle the thickness in here. So that's it, how to make this cute little bag. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.